Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back to another episode of the Silent Flautist tutorial series. I am Vivek, aka the Silent Flautist. In the previous video, we learnt about Rag Khamaj, the Aroha Avroha of this Rag being the Vadi Swar is Gandhar and the Samvadi is Nrushad. The Thaat obviously is Khamaj and this is a Shadava Sampurna Raga, which means the Aroha has only 6 notes. The Rishabh is absent in the Aroha. The Avroha has all 7 notes, hence it is Shadav Sampurna. This is most ideally played in the second prahar of the night. And this rag is mostly used in light or semi-classical compositions. It is very rarely sung as a purely classical raga. In today's video, we will be learning the composition or the gat that I presented before you in the previous episode. The teaching methodology is going to be always the same. First, we will, with the help of finger positions, practice in groups of 8 beats each. Once we are well versed with that, we will practice it without the finger positions and with the tal or the rhythm. Let's start. Sa ga ma pa dha ni sa ni dha pa dha ga pa ma ga sa ga ma pa dha ni sa ni dha pa dha ga pa ma ga ga ma ni dha ni pa dha ni sa dha sa ni dha pa ga ma ni dha ni pa dha ni sa dha sa ni dha pa ma ga ma pa dha ni sa ni dha pa dha ga pa ma ga ma pa dha ni sa ni dha pa dha ga pa ma sa ga ma pa dha ni sa ni dha pa dha ga pa ma ga ga ma ni dha ni pa dha ni sa sa ni dha sa ga ma ni dha ni pa dha ni sa sa ni dha sa ni sa 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 pa ni sa re dha sa ni dha ni sa 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 pa ni sa re dha sa ni dha ma ga ma pa dha ni sa pa ni sa re ni dha ma ga, ma ma ga ma pa dha ni sa, pa ni sa re ni dha ma ga, sa ga ma pa dha ni sa, ni dha pa dha ga pa ma ga, sa ga ma pa dha ni sa, ni dha pa dha ga pa ma ga. Brilliant. Superb job. You've now learned to play the composition with the finger positions. Now let's practice the same thing directly in the rhythm without the finger position prompts. Sa ga ma pa dha ni sa ni dha pa dha ga pa ma ga, sa ga ma pa dha ni sa ni dha pa dha ga pa ma ga, ga ma ni dha ni pa dha ni ni sa dha sa ni dha pa, ga ma ni dha ni pa dha ni ni sa dha sa ni dha pa, ma ma ga ma pa dha ni sa ni dha pa dha ga pa ma, ma ma ga ma pa dha ni sa ni dha pa dha ga pa ma, sa ga ma pa dha ni sa ni dha pa dha ga pa ma ga, ga ma ni dha ni pa dha ni ni sa sa ni dha sa, ga ma ni dha ni pa dha ni ni sa sa ni dha sa, ni 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 sa 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 pa ni sa re dha sa ni dha, ni 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 sa 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 pa ni sa re dha sa ni dha, ma ma ga ma pa dha ni sa pa ni sa re ni dha ma ga, ma ma ga ma pa dha ni sa pa ni sa re ni dha ma ga, sa ga ma pa dha ni sa ni dha pa dha ga pa ma ga, सा ग म प ध नि सा, सा ग म प ध नि सा, सा ग म प ध नि सा नि द प द ग प म ग. Brilliant job. Beautiful playing. So that was the composition of Rag Khamaj in Tal Teen Tal set at 120 BPM. If you're unable to practice at this speed, try reducing the speed of the video to 0.75x and probably you'll be able to play it. But I would recommend that you practice Alankar in Rag Khamaj. That's all for today. If you enjoy the content that I create and you're enjoying the process of learning, then I suggest and request you to support me through memberships on Patreon. Patrons get exclusive benefits like a monthly Google Meet session, more downloadable PDFs, Alankars, and so much more. Or else, you can consider making me a one-time contribution through any of the resources mentioned below. If that's still too much to ask, I would request you to like this video, share it with someone who is learning the flute. It will definitely benefit them. Make sure you leave a comment so that I can engage with you. And finally, make sure that you are subscribed to this channel and you click that little bell icon. For every time you get a notification to learn something new, it will give me immense pleasure. Thank you so much for watching the video till the very end. See you again next week with a new video. The Silent Flautist signing off.